Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to make such a beautiful arrangement for you with this beautiful flowers. They call this Mexican bird of paradise. And we have so many hummingbirds, they come, and bees, they get pollen. How beautiful, like a fireworks. The flower, when you see, it's so soft, elegant. So I'm going to pick them up, bring them in, and I'm going to make beautiful arrangement. I'll see you. All right, now we are inside. I brought the flowers over here. Now I'm going to make a very beautiful arrangement with this. Like I always say, I don't know what I'm going to do, but my flowers are so beautiful that I couldn't help it. I had to pick them up and bring them and make them beautiful flower arrangement. So I have a few kind of fern over here that you see, green fern. Those little plants, the ferns are from this orange flower, which is they call Pride of Barbados. I call that Mexican bird of paradise, or red bird of paradise they call. So, and I have over here different kind of fern. Those ones, they have a little thorn, but I'm going to start with this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this as a bottom filler. Let's cut this. I have two little beautiful kittens over here, which they are growing. They are almost 5 months. By next month, they'll be 6 months. Wherever I am, they want to be right there. Their name is, I'm sure you met them before, Kitten and Mitten. They are kind of grown up. Now this is a little thorn we have. I'm going to put this fern around the plate to decorate like this. These are beautiful kind of filler it is, and they are like kind of bending down, bowing down. It's very beautiful. So we put like this all around. And this little kitten, this one, it's a little girl. She loves his mommy, her mommy. And this one, it's Mitten. This one is more lovable. He loves me to kiss him as much as I want. He doesn't want to leave me alone. He's such a cute cat. So when you have cats, take good care of them, love them. Of course, I told you before, they were under my house. Mother had a baby, and then we took him in. Now, as I always say, when you bring flower in, make sure you put them in water, because once the water, it absorbs what the air goes in. By the time it goes to the head, they'll die, the flowers. So you want to make sure that the minute you pick them up, put them in the water, and then when you bring in, cut them a little bit. Take those pieces out so you can. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to do it from top to down, and it's going to be, I think, nice, round, beautiful decor arrangement. So we'll see how it's gonna look. It's such a beautiful flower every morning when I get up. Like I said, I'm sure you can tell that I love garden. When you go into your garden and 5 minutes you look at them, you enjoy them, it kind of makes you young. It gives you joy. And every morning I look which flower or which tree is fruiting. So now, it's fine. Now I'm going to put the top one in the middle tall. Let's turn it a little bit, maybe it stands more, better. And then around. And by the time I'm going round and round, I have to make, it's okay. Let them, they're fine. I'm going to go shorter and shorter. What we're going to do is, we're going to fill it with this beautiful flowers. Now, who doesn't want to have this kind of flower on their table in the house to enjoy it? But I have to say, outside I have a lot of hummingbirds. The minute I went to pick them up, they flew away. They always come and get the nectar. So now, like I said, I'm going a little bit lower and lower. We're gonna fill it. Look how beautiful it is. Get a plant, put in your garden, plant them, and when they come out, like roses, any kind of flowers, when especially hot days, you don't want to keep them out because you know that they are gonna dry much faster. So pick them up and bring it in and make beautiful arrangements. Look at this. It kind of opens your appetite. Sometimes when I look at the flower, maybe I'm a little crazy. I feel like I want to eat them. That's how delicious they look. Beautiful. There we go. We're going to put a couple more here, this side. There you go. It already looks enough the way it is that you can enjoy in your house, just the way it is on the table. Let's put a couple more, a little higher here. One here, and one goes this way. Actually, we cut this a little bit shorter. My kittens, they are enjoying the ferns. They are very, very curious. When you just look at it like this, it's already beautiful all around. It is really pretty. Now you have from their own leaves, the flowers, they have this kind of leaves that when it gets dark, nighttime, it starts to close it. When it's morning, it starts to open it. Now you can fill, if you want, few leaves like this inside. I have a sponge in, and you can just push it in, just to look more fuller inside. But leave those long ones to hang outside. And I want to say that because the flower itself, it has so much, like a fireworks it is. You don't want to stuff it with too many filler inside. You have to cut this a little bit. There you go. And I have some fern, and I have, I don't know, I forgot the name of these plants. They look like little circles, but I'm not going to put it in because it's already full and it has itself little bubbles. I want to try a couple of these ferns. Let me see if it's going to do good, just to give color, but I think we have to make it shorter so we don't want to take the space of the flower, just to give a little green inside. And I think it's beautiful. Even just the way it is, it's pretty. But I'm going to just put few of them just to be colored a little bit. Now, like I said, while you have in your garden, why don't you pick them up and make arrangement and take it with you to your friends, family, when you're invited someplace, instead to go buy it. It's cheaper, it's nicer, it's your work, it's your art. You'll be proud of yourself that you did it. It's not hard. It's just when you arrange them, don't study like how am I gonna do. When you already start to put it, it already gives you idea. What shall I do? Like, you know, it just comes automatically. Just be creative and just work in it. Look, already it's pretty. I'll have to put, I think, a couple more. I think it's looking very, very nice, the green colors in it. It's kind of bringing more to life. I should make it a little bit shorter. There you go. Couple more here. Let's push those things away. Let the kittens play with it until we finished. Those are all from my garden. Every morning I get up and I water them. I enjoy them. When you go into your garden, I have to say, it makes you younger because it freshens your body and soul. It makes you very, very happy. Now, let me push those things away. Mitten kitten, you can stay a little bit far. And now I want to show you how beautiful arrangement it is. Here we go. Now that you see it, very simple, very nice. It's all around, it's the same way. You can put this as a centerpiece on your table. And here is your kitten Mitten. Come here, kitten. And come here, you Mitten. Look at them. See if they are beautiful. So, well, I hope you like this arrangement. And if you like it, please like and subscribe. And I thank you again. Yeah, she says thank you too. All right, bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.